cricket is
हेलो
on now.
दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इंडिया
Nicely guided
इंडिया
away, just
और
open the face of
नेपाल
the
के
bat.
बीच
First
होने
runs on
जा
the
रहा
board.
है मैच। बल्ला पकड़ा है नेपाल के
What's
बल्लेबाज
up in
ने।
the air now? Straight in.
इस बार
Well,
एक
sorry to have
नेपाल
you put the
के
mockers on them.
बल्लेबाज
Just trying to
आउट
get
हो
a move
चुका
on,
है।
taking a risk. One too many and holding out. Simple catch taken.
अब
Yeah,
इंडिया
in
की
these
टीम में फिर से
instances, I
एक
just
गेंद
wonder what's
किया।
going in the batter's
इस बार
head.
फिर से आउट
Now,
हो
am I
चुका है
going to attack
नेपाल
this?
के एक
It's not a
बल्लेबाज।
half volley. It is width. Should I go after it? Well, she decided to go
लगातार
after it,
दो
but it
बॉल
was a wrong
में
decision in the end, and sadly, it was
दो
just
विकेट
resulted in an
खो
easy catch
चुका
to
है
get on.
नेपाल
Don't have
से।
to do anything at all. It's coming automatically.
अब दिखा जाए फिर से गेंद
Just
हवा में उछालते हुए जा रहा है
Nice
चौका
looking
की
shot.
तरफ,
What
लेकिन
about
गेंद
that
को नहीं
square
रोक
drive?
पाया।
A
चौका चला
beautifully
गया।
placed and timed shot, racing away to the boundary.
And that's exactly what
इस
the
बार
doctor
फिर
ordered
से
after a
जा
wicket.
रहा
What
है।
a lovely shot that was.
क्या शॉट मार दिया, इस बार पकड़ नहीं सका, फिर से चौका चला गया।
And that has forced the bowler
इस बार
into
देखने
a
जा रहा
huge
है, इस
error.
बार भी चौका
More than
चले गया।
overcompensating, way down
नेपाल
the leg side. 4 bonus runs. Add a wide to that. Yeah. Oh no. Oh dear. This is not on. This is not going to make the think tank
इंडिया
very
की टीम
happy.
ने बहुत कोशिश
Couple
की,
down the
फिर
leg
इसको
side.
नहीं
This
रोक
one
सका,
way
चौका
out
चला गया।
wide. Runs coming thick and fast. And the Nepali batters did hint of width. What a delectable shot that is. Backed away, even those little cramp for space. Really opened the face and timed it to a nicety and sent it away to the boundary.
Pooja, what a shot. This is all about footwork and
क्या बात
timing.
है, इस बार
So we've seen the
भी
ball
बॉल
race to the
उछलते हुए जा रहा है। इस
boundary,
बार
but without brute strength. It is footwork, it is
इस बार
timing.
भी
Well
बॉल
played,
को नहीं
Pooja.
रोक
This
सका।
girl can play.
And that's up in
क्या
there,
ऊपर उछला है,
playing
लगता
across
है इस
the
बार क्या
line, an
सोचेगा, क्या आउट हो
easy
चुका
take.
है नेपाल के बल्लेबाज।
Indian overall fielding has been really good in
इंडिया
all
के
the dot
बल्लेबाजों
balls
ने
that we
क्या
have been talking
खुशी
about,
से झूम रहा है।
putting all the pressure on Sana.
And I noticed
अच्छी
too,
बात है।
Sana, that told them, look, we got to get a bit of a move on here. Sana, you have to push it on.
फिर
And
से
unfortunately, the very first
4
ball
विकेट खो
after the
चुका है
break
नेपाल के लोगों
has
ने।
provided indiscretion, and unfortunately for her, she has to go at 9 runs. And the score is now the second wicket down for 43 runs.
दिखा जाए क्या होता है। इस बार भी गेंद
Forward and
हवा में
across.
लगता है चौका
Awkwardly
नहीं, इस बार
positioned.
पकड़
She's
लिया।
not balanced properly.
आउट हो
And
चुका है।
that has affected the
5
run
विकेट
out.
खो गया है
As I
नेपाल के
said, something's going to give. They were in a hurry to get
कप्तानों
runs.
के साथ।
And they paid the price.
A sharp throw
अब
from
क्या होगा,
Jeet Trisha
दिखाया
from
जाएगा
the
बाद
deep.
में।
Nicely collected, backing up by the bowler. And the captain of Nepal under
पूरा
19
वीडियो
women's
देखने के लिए
team has to depart. Pooja was
बने
humming
रहिए।
and puffing.
इस बार
She
भी
had stayed
आउट हो
in the
चुका है,
middle for a
क्या
long
बात है।
time.
6 विकेट खो
In
चुका
the
है
drinks
नेपाल के
break,
लोगों ने।
the coaches had a chat to the batting team and obviously have
Prize, Soni Pakrin, the vice captain, has to depart just off the penultimate ball. In fact, this was the last ball of Mithila. Just
अब देख रहा हूँ
have
फिर से
enough fuel to run
आउट हो
quickly
चुका है।
enough and make a ground in time. Nepal slumped to 60 for 3 as they lose their captain for just 25 runs.
उदासी छाया हुआ है नेपाल के लोगों से। अब फिर से गेंद
Still
हवा
searching
में
up in
उछलते हुए
the
जा रहा है।
air.
इस बार चौका, इस
And
बार भी
down the
आउट हो
throat of the
चुका है। क्या
fielder.
बात है,
In
7
their
विकेट खो
search for the
चुका
big
है
runs, in their search for
नेपाल
the
के लोगों
boundaries,
ने।
there is the result. Straightforward catch in the
बहुत
deep.
उदासी
Another
छाया
one
हुआ है
bites the dust.
नेपाल के कप्तानों के
Mithila
साथ।
Vinod gets just rewards for her discipline and
अब लग रहा है हमारी इंडिया ही जीत जाएगा।
63 on the board. Soni Pakrin departs for 8.
इस बार गेंद लग रहा है चौक नहीं, गेंद पकड़ लिया, इस बार आउट नहीं हुआ है।
And I wonder
मिक्स हो गया
if the
थोड़ा।
batter's short, because I don't think she thought there was a direct hit coming, and I think was a little too casual in taking off for the single. The replay will prove to be very effective and interesting to watch.
Yeah, it looked pretty close. Yes, she's a goner.
आउट हो चुका
And
है।
that's what happens with direct
7
hits.
विकेट खो चुका है नेपाल के लोगों ने। आउट।
That's exactly what will happen. The TV umpire ruling that out clearly. It was clear as day. You saw that in the replay.
Vinod's second over. Mithila picks up her first of the innings.
इस बार भी गेंद पकड़ लिया है। 8 विकेट खो चुका है नेपाल के कप्तान लोगों ने।
At long on.
इंडिया से
And I tell you what, she
अच्छी
thought she
तरह से
made her
खेल
ground.
रहा है,
She's
लग रहा
looking
है।
up in disbelief, but she'll have to go. Beg your pardon, that's so a wicket.
No
Chochnika has been yorked there.
And this angle will make everything very clear. The batter going down, the ball's passing. Yeah, it has hit the wickets.
Right, another wicket goes down.
आउट हो
Parunika
चुका है ये भी।
gets this wicket.
8 विकेट खो चुका है
Chochnika
इस
has got
बार
to go
नेपाल
back
के
to the
लोगों
hut
ने।
after making 6, and Nepal are now 68 for 6.
क्या कर रहा है इस बार
get another
गेंद
wicket
हवा
here.
से
No,
उछलते
this is
हुए
clear.
जा रहा है इस
Infield,
बार
it's gone
चौका
one
चला
bounce over
4
for
रन मिल गया
4.
फिर से
Alisha gets some
Nepal-
runs here for referred to the TV
कैप्टनों
umpire
को।
for a stumping, is it? Let's take a look again.
This is a better view.
Nepal. Full toss. Hit down the ground.
इस बार
And
भी
it's
जा
going
रहा
to
है,
be 4
चौका
more.
चला गया
Well,
इस बार भी
Mithila's
गेंद को
that
नहीं
kind of
रोक
bowler who
सका।
generally doesn't give a lot of pace to the batters to work with. But here she's bowled full. And Alisha taking full toll of that.
Good intent shown by Alisha. She's on it really quickly. It was a full toss, a bit higher. But still she manages to pierce the gap. Both the fielders were
इस
in
बार
the at
छक्का
the
चला
boundary.
गया है, लग
So
रहा है।
very
नहीं,
good
चौका है।
timing and very good placement as well.
सिट गेंद को नहीं पकड़ पाया इस बार आउट नॉट आउट
Well, I think they've had a feeling that the batter was a little slow off the blocks and then also not really extending her arms.
Bit closer. Yeah, maybe that spike, that third spike that we can see, it's still out. And this one also given.
Stumped out Anu Kadiat for 1. Nepal are now 82 for 7. Managed to score 2 and another wicket goes down. A cotton bowled. Parunika clinches another wicket. And this will be her 4th wicket in the innings.
And as I say, all she has to do is to rotate strike. She wants to go down the ground. And a good take from Parunika. Kusum has to walk back for 1. Nepal 84 for 8.
In the air, but runs here. And this will be for a welcome boundary. Alisha is showing some fight here. And this is a quality shot.
And in the Super 4, we would definitely want Alisha to be batting up the order. She has looked so good. Her strike rate 237. And this is not an easy shot to play.
Down the ground. They look for 2 here. No, but
Here, Rachna trying to go for that second run. And that's 93 for 9.
well, just a single. And there may be a run out at the striker's end. I think they might have just lost another wicket. Not that it matters a lot, but it could be another wicket in the wickets column.
It might be Rachna. Alisha going down the ground, and yes, it might be touch and go once again. The TV umpire had to make a few close calls, but this would be another out decision. The bails are off. Yes, another wicket down for Nepal. 1 for the team. It was Alisha, 20 not out of 9 runs. A very disciplined bowling performance from India, restricting Nepal to 94 for 9. Apart from Nandana, who gave away 20 runs, all the bowlers were on the spot, on the money for India. Parunika with 4 wickets, giving away just 12 runs. Halfway mark, India needed just 95 runs in 20 overs to win and top this Group A of the Asia Under-19.
She's
इस बार भी
driving
इंडिया की
and
तरफ से मार
over,
दिया
going too much
चौका
down
चला
the
गया
leg
इस
side.
बार
Very annoyed with herself. Brings up the early runs here for India.
लास्ट तक बने रहे दोस्त
Chat, there's lightning in the distance, which might be dangerous for the players. I think they've got to decide whether they want to. Again, drifting down.
इस बार भी
That's
चौका
clipped
जाने
away,
से नहीं
that's
रोक
gonna
नेपाल
go
के
for
कप्तान
4
ने
runs. Wow.
गेंद
That
को
is a
नहीं
loose
रोक
one.
सका।
She bounced in that.
And that's why it's so important to start your over well. You have given
हमारे
the confidence back to the batter.
भारत की
Trisha
टीम अच्छे से खेल रहा
understands
है।
that Pooja is bringing the ball in. It's becoming a bit predictable. Uses her feet.
इस बार इस चौका
What a
चला
pickup
गया है।
shot. Excellent shot.
क्या बात है,
Good head
चौका
position,
चौका
balanced
ढूंढते
head
जा रहा है
position
हमारे इंडिया के
Down the
कप्तान लोगों ने।
wicket. Hit over top. What
क्या
about
बात है,
that
हवा
shot?
से उछलते हुए जा रहा है। इस बार
Fantastic
छक्का
for the
चला गया,
maximum.
सिक्स
Oh,
रन
shimmy
मिल
down
गया
the
है।
wicket. Went through the line of that ball.
And this has been the signature shot for Kamilini. She loves to come down the ground. She's moving. And the point of impact, high elbow, excellent
कमलाइनी
timing.
ने
6
चौका
runs
मार के
there.
अच्छा रन प्राप्त कर लिया।
They can sense it. Getting the covers ready.
इस बार भी
And
चौका
that
मार दिया है।
is
क्या बात
over
है,
the
गेंद
top.
हवा
What
में
about
उछलते
that
हुए जा
shot
रहा है।
too?
छक्का जाने
We've
से
seen some
बच गया
delightful
चौका।
shots
इस बार
that's racing away to the
4
ball.
रन मिल गए।
And that's one of the most difficult shots, inside out. After
ये
3
दोनों ने
overs,
क्या
India
डिस्कस कर रहा है?
28 for naught. And look at this shot. Inside out, ball coming into her.
इस बार भी
She
चौका
plays
चला
over
गया, इसको
cover.
चौका जाने से नहीं रोक सकते।
Beautiful shot.
Umpires having a little bit of a
Round. Play in that V area.
भारत की
Watch
टीम
the shot.
लगता है बहुत
Using
अच्छे
her feet
जोश
and
से
look at the
खेल रहा है।
head position.
क्या बात,
How
इस बार भी
still the head
चौका
is.
चला गया।
carry on. Oh, you can see the lightning in the distance. And they've got to come back in. Don't want to risk the players. You can see the wind has picked up, it's blown that umbrella over. Scurry and hurry. Come on, girls, get out of there quickly. The covers are coming on. Very, very sad that the weather has interrupted this charge by India in the 4th over. They're 28 without loss, but I'm afraid it's looking rather ominous and dangerous for the players. So umpires wisely deciding to come off.
We saw a lot of lightning and rain, and because of that, the match was abandoned. And on only 3.1 overs could be managed for the Indian batting innings. And 1 point was shared between the two. The target was 94.